Hello friends, today I am thrilled to share a simple tutorial on creating split screen effects using CapCut. Let's not waste any more time and begin the tutorial right away. I have imported 3 videos and some background images. You can download this type of images and videos from pixels.com. I have added an image to the timeline. Go to the green screen from the library menu. I have added 2 green screen animations to the timeline. Reduce the size of both green screen animations and place them accordingly. One should be placed on the left side and the other on the right side. Go to the cutout option and remove the green color. Here I am not explaining about the green screen removal. If you don't know how to remove the green screen, please leave comments on the video description. I will explain it. Select the first animation and add the rectangle mask. Adjust the size of the mask. Keep the playhead at the starting point and add the first keyframe to the position. Forward the playhead at 1 second duration and add the second keyframe. Move the playhead at the starting point and change the mask position. At this point, hide the animation. Select the second animation and add the rectangle mask. Adjust the size of the mask. Keep the playhead at the starting point and add the first keyframe to the sides. Forward the playhead at 1 second duration and add the second keyframe. Move the playhead at the starting point and reduce the width value. At this point, width value should be 1. Add a white color background at 2 seconds duration. Increase the size if required. Add the rectangle mask. Reduce the width of the mask. And rotate it 12 degrees. Increase the height of the mask. Keep the playhead at the starting point of white background. Add the first keyframe to size. Forward the playhead at 3 seconds and add the second keyframe to the size. Add the third keyframe at 5 seconds duration. Keep the playhead at the first keyframe position of white background. Change the height of the mask to 1. Select the third keyframe. Increase the width of the mask. Cover the full screen. If required, increase the scale. Add another background image at 3 seconds duration. Add the rectangle mask. Rotate it 12 degrees and increase the height. Reduce the mask width value to 1 and add a keyframe to the size at the starting point. Forward the playhead at 5 seconds and 7 frames duration and increase the width of the mask. Move the playhead to the middle of the both keyframes and increase the width of the mask. This part is a little bit tricky. From the first to the last keyframe, we have to maintain the same distance between two backgrounds. Forward the playhead and increase the width of the mask. Follow the process I have shown in the video. If you play, it should look like this. Add a video at 5 seconds duration. I have placed the video left side and add the mirror mask. Rotate the mask and adjust the size and position. At the starting point of the video, add the first keyframe to the position. Add the second keyframe at 6 seconds duration. Select the first keyframe and change the position of the mask. Now I have added the second video and added the mirror mask. Rotate the mask and position it accordingly. If necessary, please modify the position of either the video or the mask. At the starting point of the video, add the first keyframe to the opacity. Add the second keyframe at 6 seconds duration. At the first keyframe position, reduce the opacity value to 10. At the third video, set the position, add the mirror mask, rotate the mask. At this point, black border is showing. We have to increase the length of the background. Select the mask of the third video. At the starting point, add the first keyframe to the position. Add the second keyframe at 6 second duration. Select the first keyframe and change the position of the mask. Play the video. That's all from this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tutorials.